Apple seems to be preparing for one of the biggest design shifts in years with the iPhone 17 Pro, and recent leaks suggest this might not just be a rumor. Several reports indicate that Apple is moving away from the sleek, familiar look of its Pro models and opting for something completely different. A camera bar stretching across the back, similar to Google's Pixel phones. At first, many thought it was just an experimental prototype, but as more leaks surfaced, it's becoming harder to ignore the possibility that Apple is serious about this redesign. A new set of renders recently shared on X shows not only the iPhone 17 Pro, but the entire iPhone 17 lineup. Interestingly, Apple seems to be taking a more varied approach this year. The iPhone 17 Air, rumored to be the thinnest model ever, features a minimalist and lightweight design, while the standard iPhone 17 maintains the traditional iPhone look. However, the Pro models stand out the most. The new camera bar makes them look futuristic, almost robotic, which is a big departure from Apple's usual design language. Some fans see this as an exciting step forward, while others feel it's an unnecessary risk. Although nothing is confirmed, well-known Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo recently hinted at some of these changes. He mentioned that the iPhone 17 Air could be as thin as 5.5 millimeters at its slimmest point. The wording raised some questions, but if the phone has a wide camera bar across the back, it would make sense that only certain parts of the phone are that thin. This suggests that Apple may be rethinking the way it integrates camera sensors, ensuring better performance while keeping the body as sleek as possible. One notable voice missing from this discussion is Mark Gurman, a well-respected Apple insider. He hasn't commented on the alleged redesign yet, which is unusual since he typically provides early insights into Apple's plans. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, Apple could be taking one of its boldest design risks in years. Normally, Samsung is the brand known for making daring design choices, while Apple sticks to a familiar formula. But if this radical change happens, Apple may be the one pushing the boundaries while Samsung maintains a more traditional look with a Galaxy S25. The biggest debate around this design is its similarity to Google's Pixel phones. The camera bar has been a signature element of Pixel devices, making them instantly recognizable. If Apple adopts a similar design, it risks losing some of its distinctive identity. Right now, based on the leaked images, the iPhone 17 Pro can easily be mistaken for a Pixel with an Apple logo. If Apple truly intends to go in this direction, it will need to ensure the design feels fresh and unique, rather than looking like a copy of Google's approach. Beyond the design, leaks also suggest Apple might be changing the materials used in the iPhone 17 Pro models. Reports indicate that instead of titanium, Apple may switch back to aluminum for the frame. While aluminum is lighter, it is generally considered less premium than titanium. This could reduce the phone's weight. Some users might see it as a downgrade, especially since Apple heavily marketed titanium as a major selling point for the iPhone 15 Pro. On the performance side, the iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to come with a RAM upgrade to support Apple Intelligence, Apple's latest AI-driven features. However, there's some speculation about whether these features will be fully available at launch or if Apple will announce them with a promise to roll them out later. Apple has a habit of introducing software updates in phases, and if major features aren't ready immediately, it could frustrate some early adopters. With multiple leaks reinforcing the idea of this dramatic redesign, it's becoming clear that Apple is at least exploring this change. But the big question remains, will people embrace it, or is this a step in the wrong direction? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.